Ljubavi moja, gde si? Gde si? Gde si? Mico moja mala. Ljubavi. Smej si ti mala meni. Si moja ljubav mala. Smej si ti mala. Ljubavi, gde si? Gde si? Malo pre se nasmejala, znaš? Samo je otišla pa to. Gde si ljubavi moja mala? I gade jedan. Gle, Zurka, pa to je Zurka moja.
Nekad ne se radite.
Zurka moja mala, ne diraj, ne čačkaj, spava već. Viš. Zevaj malo, zevaj. Tako, umorila si se, gde si ljubavi? Stigo. Evo je pući usta, gledaj. Vidim Milićevićka, gledaj Duleta. Gledaj kako pući usta, gde si? Pa nismo se vidjeli dugo, ej. Dugo se nismo vidjeli. Poliranto jedan mali.
Yeah, the baby's not struggling anymore. I think we need to leave it there.
Sad, vidi ti ko je to, gledaj ti to, ko je to ženska, ženska ipo.
Najadena je stava spisak.
On ne spava, ona sad razmišlja, malo odmara. Vidiš da je Milićiška. Ona odmah počela da razmišlja više, sad otvara, prepoznala mi glas. Gde si ženska? Kaži, šta se smeješ? Šta praviš face? Kaži. Kaže, dobro se ponaša. Sad mi doktor pričao, kaže, super se ponaša. Evo je.
It will run out. It's due. You see this one? This one is due for changing in
After
54 hours. So that's 4 days.
Okay.
54 hours. This is every day. So it's due at 2 o'clock. Let's see if we'll go through until 2 o'clock. Then you change it, whether it's consumed or not. This is 24 hours. That's why we have to label it.
Okay, and I have a question. It was
Maybe
actually
that for my pen and my paper. You see
your
it?
pen.
I don't see. Maybe I'll show it in the right.
Okay, so for the Mountain Fuse, what will I?
How much is the receipt? Where's my paper? Where's my paper?
Има ги твоите ногти.
Моя пръстен сега. Да бъде стен. О, скъпно.
They say it should be running out. You know when you're receiving an endorsement,
Right, I'm gonna see right now.
how much they endorse to you, you coordinate with that. Because there are times when it's really busy, they say this is the new order for the doctor, but they didn't change here. So it's not relying in here, look at the endorsement, and then coordinate with this one.
Гледай тати на
If you
ноги.
have doubt, go over to the order.
Right, because I have that.
Види, тати на ноги.
I got that. Mateo.
Танки ноги.
Mateo.
I think they said 10 cc, so you're right. So you're 10 cc per hour.
Okay.
Oh yeah, this is your first time to have IV fluids, right?
Yeah.
So we changed the IV site.
Right.
What time?
That was
oh
10
yeah,
o'clock.
it's the same one. Left. No,
Right,
it
no,
was
it's the
left,
hand.
left arm. Now
Right.
it's left hand.
Hand.
What time did we?
10.
No, I said every hour if we have IV fluids. So you started at 8:30, then you should continue 9:30, 10:30, like that.
Oh, okay.
You don't do skip. This is. We still have 24 grams of that diapers that we use, so 22 grams. That's a big diapers that we use. So
Okay,
that's
then.
measurable. That's
22.
right, small amount.
Okay then.
Isto ti. Dobar dan, čerko. Zdravo, čerko. Šta radiš, čerko? Ljubavi moja. Ljubavi moja. Šta radiš, be? Šta radiš, be, ti? Jeli? Ljubavi? Desi me? Desi? Desi me? Desi me, ženska? Pa nismo se vidjeli dugove. Ej, ljubavi. Gle pašu kako je napravila, gledaj. Ljubavi. Mua.
Okay, let's see if you poo-poo. I'm gonna feed baby. I'm gonna see if he poops. She poops
Okay.
in. Baby.
Si dobro? Spavaš ti. Spavaš ti. Spavaš ti, ljubavi moja. Ona uživa, gledaj. To je gade jedan mali. Gledaj nogicu kako ona ima nogicu, lijepu, gledaj. Odmaraš, a? Odmaraš? Evo tata došao. Došao tata. Pa došao tata ljubavi. Znaš? Ti si ljubav prava.